Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on DOOGEE T10E. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and now click here to enable Hey Google. Then click on More and then click I agree, next. Now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on Next, then click Next again, and click I agree. Then click Back, and click Back again, and click on Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.